expect it to be spicy.
Okay, YouTubers. Just a second. Okay, YouTubers, we've got another version here, and this is for the film What Will Trey Eat? Here's our Dotson, our three-legged Dotson, by the way. And let's see, we have jerk seasoning. So let's see if Trey likes jerk seasoning. Trey, you like jerk seasoning? Oh, you do? Oh. Trey, you like jerk seasoning? Yeah, he does.
That dog eats anything.
Well, okay. You can see that Trey likes jerk seasoning, so we'll add some more. I think the last one he liked was pickles. I don't know. Anyway, you'll see it when we edit the video. Thanks for watching.